Hey YouTube, Will here from All Electric, and this is part 2 of our Building a House with a View series. So the first one, we had to make some changes. So this was originally going to be a strictly passive solar design with a slab as the finished floor, but the site conditions did not allow for that because of the severe slope. Concrete was getting so expensive, and I was not that good of a drone pilot to pay for all that concrete. As you can see here, I'm definitely a novice drone pilot trying to figure this thing out, but this view is definitely going to be worth it. I sure hope so. So as you can see from the foundation itself, the basement is going to be split. So there's going to be half basement and half crawl space. This has to do with the amount of concrete that we used to actually pour the basement. It just made complete sense, and that has to do with the slope, so you can take full advantage of that beautiful view you see there. So a lot of these things that you see here right now with the drone are automated. I'm definitely not that good at flying the drone, and this was on a particularly windy day, but you can see this drone is doing a good job holding itself, because I definitely had my lead drone pilot for the All Electric YouTube channel was out. He had some prior engagements. You know who you are. So next time, I definitely need your help. So as you can see here in this clip, this is the crawl space. So this is going to be the front of the house here. So there's half crawl space. Now we had to put some drain tile in here just in case water does get down there, and this paper that prevents mud getting into the drain tile. So you put that there so the water has a way to escape. Now, this definitely looks like a skyscraper sticking out of the ground, because some of these walls are super huge. You can see over here on the left-hand side, that is the garage. So we have to bring the grade up significantly. This beautiful fall foliage does not do justice in these pictures. You can see over here, the front of the garage, we have to bring up to that level so you can actually enter the garage. So a significant amount of dirt has to be brought in. We already brought in a ton for the driveway, and there needs to be more coming. So some grading has to be done. And not to mention, once this dirt gets up here, what we're going to be spending the next week on is filling in that whole garage hole with gravel. And this hole back here, you're going to see this is going to be the basement slab. So gravel has to be filled in here before they can pour the slab. So a significant amount of gravel. The estimate right now is about $20,000 worth of just gravel alone. And that has to do with the severity of the slope. So if you are planning on building on a slope, just know that, yes, the view is going to be beautiful, like you see here from this mountaintop looking out of what will be the basement. The view is going to be incredible, but you definitely need to budget more, like we did not. So learn from our mistakes that there is a significant more amount of work that you need when you're building a foundation on a slope. Definitely overlooked by our part. So I hope you learned from this video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video with a friend, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, see you in the next one.